I am off to this shoot that I am doing with this guest today. It's a new experiment on this show that we are doing. So I'll be recording my journey while I'm going to meet this guest of ours, whom you'll meet soon. So I'm so excited, and I hope you all are well and safe. So please keep on watching, because this is going to be very, very nice. We are now crossing the Delhi-Noida flyway, which is the DND flyway. So this connects Noida to Delhi. So we are on this bridge now, moving ahead. It's pretty nice, the weather is cool, so I'm pretty, anticipating a good shoot today. आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे मैंने मास्क क्यों नहीं पहना, why I'm not wearing a mask, but I'm carrying my mask with me because this is mandatory, and which I'm soon going to wear it. I'm carrying all my sanitizer and the rest of the jing bang in my purse, because that's very important and we should never ignore it. So don't go by the thing that I'm not wearing a mask because I was shooting, so that's why I have to remove it, because then otherwise the voice is quite muffled. So yeah, I'll be wearing my mask right away before I meet my guest. So guys, my mask and everything is on now, because we are almost about to reach the place where we are meeting our guest for the interview today, and I'm pretty excited, and I won't reveal her name, which I'm really eager to do, but let everything be a surprise. So yes, I've now got down from the car, and I am walking towards the place where we are meeting our guest. So there are a lot of precautions that every place is having. So this is the guard, and he is going to take my temperature. ठीक है भैया? Perfect. He has given a thumbs up, and now I'm going to enter my details. So देखिए मेरे पास कौन है. Jaba is there with me. I'm so excited that finally we've met, and she has done amazing work for more than 15 years now?
Yes, right.
More than 15 years.
I'm serving nation for more than 15 years.
Oh wow, great, yeah. So and she's also with Vande Bharat mission.
Right.
These are the rescue flights, yes, and she has rescued a lot of Indians. They have brought them home, and so I'm going to have a chit chat with her. We'll have a cup of coffee first.
Sure.
Yeah. So let's go. Friends, I'm sure you would have loved today's presentation and the experiment that we did today. I just thoroughly loved it myself. So now, after that hot cup of tea and a little bit of gup-shup, Jaba has gone to freshen up a little bit and change. Now I'm going to get down into some serious conversation with her. Jaba is not only the Deputy Chief Cabin Crew in charge with Air India, but she's also involved with the Vande Bharat mission, which is the rescue flights for Indians all over the world who are stuck up and want to come back to their homeland. Now Jaba, I want to start the interview with your name. What does Jaba mean?
Hi, my name is Jaba. As you said, it is very uncommon name and a common question that everybody asks me. It means hibiscus flower.
Beautiful. I love hibiscus flower. Now Jaba, you were born and brought up in the small city of Dibrugarh in Assam. Please share a little bit about your childhood. How was it like?
Childhood is like I used to stay in a joint family, and my grandfather was from a freedom fighter, so we were very disciplined. My all sisters and brothers were stay together. My cousin sisters and everybody. Is like Assam is very small state, and Dibrugarh is very small city, so it was very simple. Being youngest child was very pampered, so it is like being a small city, we can't explore more, but yes, we are very cultured kids.
Okay, so after you finished your graduation in geography, you pursued your LLB and then you landed up in the aviation industry. Why this shift and what was the reason behind it?
Actually, this is like I was never been confused, very clear that I wanted to become an air hostess only. It was a small city, there's no much options, so I have taken admission in LLB. So in a small city to get a government job is very crucial, so I did not of course lose the opportunity.
That's great, but why this career? I mean, what attracted you to get into this industry?
Actually this profession is very fascinating. बहुत ही इसका है हमेशा से ही आज या on those times also this job is very glamorous. So हमेशा मैं चाहती थी कि मैं बाहर जाऊँ और बाहर हर कुछ देखूं, वर्ल्ड घूमूं. तो इसीलिए this is the only reason I have choose to fly. It is Air India is a national airline, so I always wanted to come in Air India only.
Wow, world touring, that's so fascinating. Jaba, I'm sure you must have also faced a lot of contradiction from your family, because in small towns people have different notion about this industry. What kind of challenges did you face?
Oh, it was very difficult. My father, being a railway employee, he searched for what his cabin crew is actually. Then he came to know it is just pick up the trays and serving. So he was saying, no, you can't do this. So I have to really struggle with my family that it is not only pick up the trays, we are for safety of the passengers. Then they finally agreed and sent me for the training.
Oh my God, really? Jaba, I'm sure it must have been so hard for you. So how did your journey start? असम से निकलकर आपने सबसे पहले क्या किया?
असम से निकल के पहला स्टेप ही मेरा ये था कि मैं एयर इंडिया में आई हैव गिवन रिटन टेस्ट, आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड, आई हैव गिवन इंटरव्यू, आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड, एंड एयर इंडिया सेंड मी फॉर द ट्रेनिंग and I went to Hyderabad.
Okay, wonderful. Now Jaba, a lot of our viewers would like to get into this industry. So what tips would you like to give to them? How should they start preparing for it?
Actually, nowadays it is very easier to get a job in airline with private airlines and all. In our times, we have to give written exams and all, and we have to do graduation. Now they take 10 plus 12. You have to be little confident. You have to have this leadership quality, good communication skill. That's all.
That's quite simple. So what kind of pay scale is offered when you get into this industry?
Pay scale, I really don't know for the private airline, but in Air India, it really pays good. Starting who are just joined, now they have stopped taking permanent crew. I am permanent crew, government staff, but now they are taking in contractual, but they are paying well, more than 50, better than any other profession. After 10 plus 2, if you are getting 50 and you are getting the opportunity to see whole world, and you are staying in a 5-star hotels, pick up and drop facilities there, this is more than enough, I believe.
That's quite good, I must say. So what is the type of competition that one should be ready for in this industry?
See, there's lots of private airlines is there, so competition is of course is there in the market, but you have to be confident enough to get a job. It is not too tough, it is very easier nowadays.
These are some very important tips and advice, and I'm sure all the viewers must be noting it down. Jaba, please tell us what kind of challenges have you faced both professionally and personally, especially being a woman?
Lots of challenges I have faced in personally also, personal life and professional life, but every challenge teaches us a lesson. So in professional, I will say, of course, being a woman, it is very difficult to serve in a service industry, because now in society people doesn't know what is air hostess is. Air hostess, it doesn't mean to, you know, there for only service, there for safety. But in this pandemic, in this COVID, I think everybody, all society has came to know that we are, you know, serving them. We are serving lives, we are doing rescue flights, we are not serving foods, we are only rescuing them. Personally, it is lots of challenges I have faced that I have to sacrifice with my kids. And as I told you, I am a single mother. So I really had to struggle with this job and my marriage, and finally I broke up.
You know, Jaba, today being a single mom is no more a taboo. But what kind of challenges did you face personally? Please share.
You know, when any job, not only air hostess job, when woman goes for work, I think everybody faces the same problem. And being an air hostess, being with, you know, presentable for everybody, with makeup and everything, so people thinks that we are easily available, but it is not true at all.
That's so true. Sometimes even I think, why this mentality? But frankly speaking, we have come a long way and a lot of things have changed. Jaba, please tell, does aviation industry provide any kind of security in this regard?
I must say that any airline, not only Air India, any airline has preserved some rights. That we have strict law for unruly passengers. Passengers misbehave with us, we have strict law for them.
Okay, Jaba, thank you so much for those tips. Now, I would like to ask you, in these 15 years of career span with the aviation industry, did you face any kind of emergency situation? Please share.
Yes, in 15 years of job, I have faced lots of emergency situation. But one I just cannot forget. In a domestic sector, I just cannot take the name of the sector because of company rules. But in some domestic sector, there was a bird hit. And one engine has to be stopped. And captain has to do emergency landing with 103 passengers, and I was cabin crew in charge. So when we are landing, I knew that one engine is stopped, so it is emergency landing, and I can see outside that fire brigade and all rescue team is waiting for us. So we don't know we can land or not, or it will be going to a crash landing, because I can smell the burning smell of the bird. But thankfully, all passengers were safe, we all are safe.
Seriously, now I know what kind of risk factors are involved in this job. It's commendable. Hats off to you all, and my respect to the entire fraternity. Jaba, you must have also traveled with a lot of celebrities and big people, so to say. Please share about that.
I really, we have seen all the celebrities, but I really like Shah Rukh Khan. He's such a gentleman. Whenever he comes, he just remembers the names he have flown with, and he addresses with the name, and he is so polite.
Wow, Jaba, I too am a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan. Now, you are also involved with the Vande Bharat mission, which are the rescue flights, and rescue a lot of Indians and bring them back to their homeland, especially in this COVID situation. So what experiences did you have had?
मेरे बहुत अच्छे experience थे, but the first time when I went for Belgium rescue flight, lots of infants were there and senior citizens, and when they came in the aircraft, they are thanking us so much. It was that time COVID was in peak, and we are wearing the hazmat suits and all.
Commendable. Jaba, I would like to ask you, what has been the change in the people's perception about the airline crew pre and post this pandemic?
Thinking बदल गई है लोगों की. People now, I think people are respecting our job more.
Absolutely true. Jaba, I would like to ask you about the fact that you are raising 2 girls since past 6 years and upbringing them and also supporting their education. Please share about it.
Actually, my dad and mom, they are very humble. In Dibrugarh, they have just near to my house, there is a Anath Ashram. इंटरनेशनल ब्रदरहुड मिशन, तो मेरे पापा ने 5 लड़कियों की शादी कराई थी, विच आई हैव सीन इन माई चाइल्डहुड. सो दिस 2 girls used to come to household works for me. I have seen they are, you know, very intelligent, they are willing to study, and their mother was a widow, and mother was having 8 kids. So these 2 kids, I said I will help them. I make them admission in government school. Then one girl, she passed 12, and one is with me only. She's staying with me, and she is in 10th. So it is not difficult, but it is giving me, you know, pressure. And I have seen my mom and dad also doing the same.
Wow, what a noble thing to do, Jaba. You are also a trained classical musician and also have done a lot of stage performances. Now, how do you manage work, your hobby and your personal life?
Actually, being Bengali, we Bengali are very cultured. So if we don't know how to cook, it doesn't matter, but we should know how to dance and sing. And my hobby is also, you know, I love to sing and dance. Although besides my job, besides my children, besides everything, I enjoy my life every moment.
That's great. What message would you like to give to our women audience?
Just अगर आप खुद खुश नहीं रह सकते हैं तो आप अपने आसपास किसी को खुश नहीं रख सकते. रही बात प्रोफेशनली भी, मैं वही बोलूँगी, जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. इफ़ यू डोंट लव योर जॉब, quit your job, search what you want to do in your life. And personally also, अगर आप खुश नहीं हैं रिश्ते पे, बच्चे भी ना ही खुश रहेंगे, ना ही आप खुश रहेंगे. So better to be single than a messy relationship.
Isn't that so important? Thank you so much for your advice. Now Durga Puja is approaching very soon. What message would you like to give to the people? I mean, how should they celebrate it in this pandemic?
दुर्गा पूजा हमारे बंगाली हमेशा पूरा साल इंतज़ार करते हैं. इट इज़ अ ग्रेट फेस्टिवल फॉर अस, फॉर एवरीबडी हु इज़ नॉट बंगाली ऑल्सो. बट आई विल सजेस्ट दैट इन दिस पैंडमिक वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ द सेफ्टी. वी शुड नॉट गो इन द पंडाल्स. वी शुड अवॉइड to gathering all. We should do it at home and talk to our family member over phone. We should wear masks and take the safety precautions. But of course, Durga Puja is in our heart. We should celebrate it in wholeheartedly, but with all the safety precautions. I would like to wish all the members and viewers of the Women Influence Talk Show a happy Durga Puja and Shubha Durga Puja.
जाने से पहले हम आपसे बंगाली में कुछ सुनना चाहेंगे. And since you sing, why not sing a few lines for us?
Oh, I have to, you know, remember everything. Let's try. फूले फूले डोले डोले बहे की बा मृदु बार. शायद ही हो पाएगा.
हो पाएगा नहीं, हो गया. Jaba, I really want to salute your amazing and beautiful spirit and all the fantastic work you are doing both professionally and personally. Thank you so much. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so now. Now let me go and thank Jaba. So guys, we are through with our interview session with Jaba and हमें बहुत मज़ा आया. I'm sure आपने भी बहुत enjoy किया होगा and I'm sure it will be a good takeaway for all of you for the tips and all the insights about crew life and the airlines and everything. So thank you so much, Jaba, and wishing you all the best for your future endeavors and all the best.
Thank you, Sadal.